Seaweeds.
Yeah, that's what you
That's the seaweeds that growing out where we just went.
If only we got a kitchen, it would have been nice to cook
That's the wife of Morten.
If only we could cook in
She's a little bit in it, a little bit sweaty. Oh, she's so hot today. Al Capone is what?
She said if you want another shell, she got there.
Oh,
But Morten just bought, right?
ja, øjeblik. Morten, kom så her. Så er der fisk. Han er lige kommet med nettet med fisk. This is fresh fish.
Det forstår jeg ikke. Jeg ved ikke, hvad man skal leve af. Det aner jeg ikke.
Nej. Hvad laver du ud af dem der? I just don't understand that kind of food. It's not for this guy. This guy likes steaks and other things.
What kind? Name? Yeah, mackerel, right? Tuna, mackerel. And this? Okay.
Look at the pure Filipino playing tourist.
Det er lækkert. Det kan du også spise.
Ja, men det kan også lade være. Det er det fede.
Okay.
Det er det fede. Ja. Men det er noget en anden måde at købe mad på, ikke? Du får sgu ikke noget, der er så frisk.
Maybe we can buy some microwave cheese there.
You got the market in our place also, Santa Fe.
Ah, yeah, that's right. Then it's not so heavy to walk around.
Trying to take a picture, taking a video.